Hi, Pacie.
Hi.
Today is March 18th, and we're back at it for your birthday countdown.
Woo!
Who do you have here with you today?
We have the police officer Ryan again, and we have some Barbie doll guys.
Oh, what are their names?
This is Rapunzel,
And
this is Barbie.
Oh,
She's a
okay.
music teacher. Can I tell you something? You know what school they go to?
What?
Royal High School.
Royal High School. Okay,
Look
cool.
at their bags. They look royal.
Ah, you're so cool. Alrighty, let's do our opening today.
Bye. Okay, let's get this done.
Yes, let's get this started.
So, Mommy already took out my package, which is nice.
Yes, thank you.
Wait, hold on. 1, 2. We only have 1, 2 packages left.
Okay.
For this one. Wait, 1, 2, 3. Never mind, there's 2.
Okay.
I opened it.
Cool.
Oh my God, it's another panda.
Another panda. Alrighty.
And it's brown.
And it's brown. Yes, I do. You're welcome. Here you go. Be careful.
Oh my God. Basically, the pandas are on one side. So, thank you, panda, because I need to cut this big side. Thank you. Look at my girls are.
Ooh, hold him up close. Cool. All right, you ready to find out where he is?
I know where he is. I know where he is.
Where?
He's over here.
Ah, he's in.
Wait, hold on. I think that's the wrong one.
No, it's the same one, Montana.
But the green shirt.
Yep, he's in Montana.
But I just have to tell you something. What if it's the wrong one? Because that one has a blue shirt.
No, but it says Montana also.
But why does it have a blue shirt?
I don't know. It might be the ink. It might be wrong. It's okay. It's all good. Hold him up. You like him? Alrighty, friends. Is there anything else you want to tell your Pacers before we go?
Oh, before I go, thank you, Police Officer Ryan. And thank you for standing on your head. Boop.
He's borrowing Police Officer Ryan's car.
Thank
Alrighty, friends.
you everyone for watching the video. Bye bye. This is like and subscribe. Click the bell, please.